Brittany?
Are we videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is RCB Sleuth, and we are on a kiddie ride. It is called the Spinner. It's got kind of an obvious name.
You're starting to feel sick.
I hope not. No, Candy, don't puke on the camera.
Going.
I just ate the camera.
We're in midair, my friends.
Woo! Look how high we are. We're like, yeah, we're definitely high.
What do you mean by that?
Oh my God! Yeah, this is what happens when you get Mountain Dew and two psychopaths.